At this point, we've removed, say, about 90% of the pollutants. By the time we get through there, we'll remove 98, 99% of the pollutants.
So the Noman coal water recycling facility receives more than 40 million gallons a day of wastewater that comes in and is recycled and turned into reusable water. It's really important for the public to understand just how hard that is. It takes a lot of work to get that wastewater clean. It takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of equipment and a lot of different people. We look at our pumps and we replace our aging pumps with more efficient pumps and more efficient aeration. We also look at process technology changes. And overall, the plant has been able to reduce its greenhouse gas footprint. That means less carbon emissions. We've reduced it by 25% since 2018. Normally, this place is so busy, we can't set aside these safe zones for the public. But today we've made a special effort to set aside a place where the public can come in and get to know us better and get hands-on experience with some of the work that's done here that turns your wastewater into clean water that discharges to the Pohick Bay and eventually to the Chesapeake Bay. And you can take a first-hand look at some of the giant infrastructure that's used to do that every day. And you can learn what you can do to help us keep the water clean. We have our trucks out for a touch-a-truck event. That means you can actually come and put hands on this giant equipment that we use to help keep the sewage flowing. And we also have some more indoor stations that show you up close why we say don't flush wipes down the drain. And we have some fun kids activities because we want kids to remember that wastewater treatment is an important thing. And then we also are giving you the opportunity for a plant tour where you can see some of this incredible infrastructure. This is one of the most advanced wastewater treatment plants in the country and also in the world. And you can get hands-on experience with that. And if you take the tunnel tour, you get to go underground and see what some of that infrastructure looks like from down below. So these bacteria are converting nutrients and other organic chemicals. I hope when people come here today, they see how much pride that Public Works takes in their public service that they do. And I hope they learn a little bit about their own responsibilities for what they put down the drain. Remember, only toilet paper goes in the toilet, wipes go in the trash, and keep your fats, oils, and greases separated as well. And then more than that, I hope they enjoy seeing the science and the technology that's gone into making their world a better place, and maybe they even want to be part of that. By taking responsibility for what you put down the drain, you help make our jobs easier and help us have a cleaner environment. Please visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov and search on the word wastewater, and you'll learn all about the wastewater treatment and collection system, and you can search on jobs to become part of the very proud workforce of Fairfax County.